how to program a new tailgate height in the MGMS6 EV car. So, as you can see, by default, our car opens to its full height. The electric opening has just occurred. As you can see, it opens to this height. However, if we want to reduce this height, for example, to avoid damaging our tailgate in narrow garages, we can do it in this way. First of all, let's close the trunk again. Next, we will open it and stop it at a height that suits us. So let's start by opening it. Let's assume this is the height we want to set it to. And as you can see, we have this button here. If we hold it down long enough, we should hear a beep. And at this point, when we use the close function, it will of course close. However, when opening, the trunk will open to this low height that I set. And as you can see, this is how we programmed our trunk. If we want to return to the previous settings, we have to lift the tailgate all the way up and hold the button again. At this point in the process, we are going to go ahead and press our trunk button once more to finalize the action. Now, let's take a quick moment to verify everything by checking if the new settings we just configured have been successfully saved and applied to the system as expected. And as you can see, the MG tailgate has opened fully. So that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you and talk to you later.